Hello there, everyone. It's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I'm here for another weekly recap video. So, this week we wrapped up quite a few things. I introduced a few things, and it was a fun week. So, we're going to get right into it. This is week ending August 10th, which, by the way, we had a couple birthdays in my family. It was my cousin Anthony's 50th birthday. Prince, my dog's first birthday, and Olivia's second birthday. So and my niece Samantha's birthday as well, which she turned 30, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's 30. Sorry, Nana, for putting your age out there. But it's a big number. It's a big number. So happy birthday to everyone. But yes, Prince and Olivia, my dog and my cat, share the same birthday. So we're going to get right into it. So let's do it. So the big news here at Paper Phenomenon are two events. I have my Crop at Home event that's September 6th through the 8th. Hopefully you guys got your ticket. And then I have a second event, which is an in-person event. So if you like to craft with me and your fellow crafters in Pensacola, Florida, tickets are now available for this event. It is October 24th through the 26th. Plenty of time to make your travel arrangements. The hotel is already secured for you guys in the event project folder. So all you have to do is book your hotel room so you don't have to go look around for a hotel. Our event is in the hotel. There's a project, there are prizes. Guys, I am not cheap. I do good stuff, all right? So the prizes alone are worth the price of admission. We have a catered lunch. And the best part of all is that we get to craft together in a room, and it's just amazing. We make an amazing project. We are making a recipe box, Paper Phenomenon style, and we're using the In My Kitchen paper collection. Hopefully I'll have a sneak peek for you guys here very, very soon. But I promise you it's going to be great. You get a fantastic swag bag, which is a kit, and all sorts of fun things. So that is October 24th through the 26th. But coming up here in just a few weeks is the Crop at Home event. So this is the next best thing to the in-person retreat in Pensacola. Here we do it via Zoom, right? Via Zoom right here. And we get to see each other. We get to converse. We craft. We laugh. We play games. We have giveaways. And by the way, it's a pretty amazing project. And the kit is pretty amazing too if you'd love to pick one up. And then shipping invoices have been sent to everyone who purchased their kit. So look out for that. All international kits for the Crop at Home event have been in the mail for over a week now. So those are on their way to you guys across the pond. And next thing on the agenda is, what did Dr. E post to YouTube? And finally, Remix. So for my live classes, I'm not going to have a live class until after this event. I have quite a few things that I owe you guys, including some kits that I need time to pack. And starting a brand new remix project is just going to set me back even more, including a remix kit that I have to ship to you guys. So no classes will resume after this event, which is September 6th through the 8th. And I will send out a newsletter with the upcoming remix project and when class resumes. But not to worry, lots of activity happening on the community pages and here on YouTube with Dr. E uploading amazing projects. So having said that, let's take a peek. Let's see what Dr. E has uploaded to YouTube. All right, so here we go. 110 photos you can fit, my friends, in the Bella box. This is a Patty Katai project. You have to check it out. She added a shaker to the Bella box. Gorgeous version. and 110 photos. So really, really amazing. We wrapped up on the remix project, the Grad Album, featuring the Flutter Bloom collection, a gorgeous final review project. I took you through the matting process here on YouTube. It was a super duper fun class. Another project showcase featuring the Bella Box, and this is the mini me version. Gorgeous, gorgeous project. It has been resized and it is adorable. Absolutely adorable. For some reason, it escapes me who made the me version of this project. And let me see if it's here on, it was Patty Katai as well. Patty Katai did the mini me version of the Bella Box. And yes, if you have this project, the cutting guide is in your project folder, so be sure to check it out. Simple Folios Style 1. Listen, my friends, I have been working on projects, mini stories style projects forever. I've just called them all sorts of different things until I came up with the term mini stories. So if you love my mini stories projects, check out the Simple Folios. They are simply perfection, absolute perfection. I did some really fun looks in these Simple Folios with super fun paper collections as well. So there's style 1. I think there's through style 5 or 6 if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna start up my CMCs in November, so you'll see some more Simple Folios. I'll pick up right where I left off. I did a class kit reveal for the Crop at Home event for September 6th through the 8th. It's such a gorgeous kit that I can't get enough just of looking at it, let alone the project. Another Simple Folios take. This is style 2. Gorgeous paper collections used on this one. I did 2 styles for you guys featuring 2 of my Halloween collections. So the folio is amazing and the paper collections are amazing. So just check it out because you're going to love it. Here's a video on something that I talk about all the time. It's the Essentials SVG bundle. So many amazing essentials, and I call it the Essentials SVG bundle because they truly are essentials. Lots of things that I use in my projects day in and day out you will find in this SVG bundle. Remember, if you're seeing these things this particular week for this reveal, these projects are on sale, 50% off. So take advantage if you'd like to pick it up. Watch this video. It's super fun. I show you how to use the SVG files. I do different things with the SVG files, all sorts of fun things. And then a sneak peek, like Dr. E says, must see sneak peek for the Strike a Pose project is available. Check it out. You're going to love it. How was your trip? Project preview part 2. Another fantastic project. This one is a suitcase and album combo. I think it's time for me to make another suitcase project. I love suitcase projects and I have a few fun designs that I've been keeping in my back pocket. So that may be coming to you soon. But in the meantime, check out the How Was Your Trip suitcase. This one is super fun. It's got this rounded motif, really fun kind of straw-like handles. Super fun. Super duper duper fun. Again, all of these projects look amazing. They have the wow factor, but they are very, very doable. You take it step by step, one step at a time, and you will complete a gorgeous project. And I say in no time because that is on your time. There is no end date on these projects. That's the beauty of these classes. You purchase the class and you work on this on your own time. So check out the How Was Your Trip suitcase and album. You will not be disappointed. Introduction, Scrapbook Layouts, Moving Parts 1. Dr. E will start uploading all of these videos that are a part of a matting process that we did here on YouTube. So stay tuned for that if you didn't catch it the first time around. Then we have some more strike a pose, quick sneak peek videos. I did some more matting, so I'm sharing with you guys, just enticing you to attend the class or to attend the event, because it's going to be super fun. It's a 3-day event via Zoom. You will not regret it. And then some more moving parts. As I said, Dr. E will be uploading all of the videos for the very first, the inaugural moving parts project, and the matting process for this album, which turned out absolutely gorgeous. And let's see what Dr. E has for us coming up this week. This is part of it right here that you saw. I interrupted her programming with all of the strike a pose buzz. So lots of fun, guys, lots of fun. So this coming week on Dr. E's notes, we have got simple folios, which you saw, style 2. There's a live class recording, a part of that video in there. Then we have part 2 of scrapbooking moving parts, which we just discussed. Origami pockets, sets 1 and 2 coming up this week. That was a super, super popular set that I did. If you haven't seen origami pockets, just stay tuned. I can't wait till Dr. E uploads these videos because they're super fun. Then we've got the Beach Bag album, which, by the way, there is a remix version of the Beach Bag album, so look out for that as well. That's a throwback, guys. That Beach Bag album is a throwback, but I remixed it. So if you own the remix membership or you purchased it a la carte, such a great album, and they are night and day. Night and day. It's almost like you get a whole brand new project. Then we have a project showcase, is the Game Night by Kimberly Jones. She recreated this project using the Remember the Magic collection. Something to see. I say this all the time, but it is truly, truly a must-see video. Potion bottles. Some of my best work went into these potion bottles. Stay tuned for those videos. So appropriate with the holiday, Halloween season coming up here very, very soon. And following through with that Halloween holiday spirit, Dr. E is posting 2 more Halloween projects. One is a collaboration project with Janice Friedman, which is Scary Stories. Amazing. And then the Grandfather Clock, which is a super duper old project, but still so relevant today if you love decorating for Halloween. It is a statement piece. I think it's about 3 feet tall. All right. It's big. It's bold. It is bomb. All right. It is that good. And remember, I made this project a long, long time ago. So stay tuned for those videos because they're pretty fabulous. Also on sale, 50% off. And now we're going to get to the most favorite part of these recap videos, which are your questions, my fellow crafters. Let's get to it. All right, so this question is from Susan. She says, "Hi, Kathy. I just watched your video on More Essentials SVG Bundle 1, Assembly, and Show and Tell. Do you have a video on the roll top envelope you did for Origami Project 2? We do have a video, darling, and I don't know if I'm going to assume you listened to the first part of this video. It's coming up in this week's lineup, so Dr. E is going to release it here this week. I'm not sure which day, but it'll be here by the end of the week. So check it out. It is a fantastic project. And again, with the wow factor, but super, super easy to make. Well, I stopped saying easy. Very doable. How's that? Very, very doable. So stay tuned for it. It's coming your way. And remember, it's 50% off. So you can take advantage of that discount. Next question. Thank you so very much. Next question is from Terry. Hi, Terry. She says, "Hi, Kathy. I noticed your cute suitcase video today that you have the old Cricut spatula. I love the old spatula Cricut had years ago. It has a thinner edge, so it picks the paper up better. I do not like the new one that they have. Do you or anyone know where I can get the old Cricut spatula? Girl, no, but yes, I do have the old Cricut spatula. They stopped making it, and I'll talk about this in a minute, but Dr. E gave you some wonderful, wonderful suggestions. She even gave you a seller on Mercari. Look at it right here. That is selling them. So if you want it, go get it, because people are going to snap them up. And let me show you what she's talking about right here. It's this one, this Cricut spatula. It is old. It has been used for so many applications, not just for taking things off of my Cricut mat. I use this quite often and I love it. I love it. And as always, I don't know why people discontinue great things that work. The new Cricut spatula sucks. It's no good. This was perfection, and you were able to use it for all sorts of other applications. So again, I don't know why these companies do this, but they do, and it is very, very annoying. So check in the description in the I have something in my eye. Look out for the information that Dr. E left for you in your question. You're going to be able to find it. You probably have it already. You probably bought it already. Thank you so much, Terry. And I'm glad you watched my video on the suitcase, the How Was Your Trip suitcase. I hope you loved the project. Thank you for taking the time to ask.